Okay, that'll do. Okay, let's just get straight into this. Golden Freddy, I guess. They've stalked you. Chicha. I'm just really excited. They've scared you. Well, yes, especially in the fourth game, Bonnie's Eye. This is like the no-eyed screens. They've haunted you. Foxy. So, but now they're cute.
What the?
Okay, what the heck? Get ready for Bake Cupcakes Music Adventure. Wow. You're so scary. Starring Freddy Fazbear, Bonnie, Chicha, Foxy, Toy Freddy, Toy Bonnie, Toy Chica, Mango, What the heck? Hello, Mango. Coming soon. Okay, that was epic. That was epic. I cannot wait for that to come out. And I also cannot wait for the Five Nights at Freddy's 4 Halloween update to come out tomorrow. Happy Halloween days. Happy Halloween days. See you tomorrow. Bye.